Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can do P2P in Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular Bitget app on your phone. Right up over here, you're gonna tap on this option of more given on your screen. You can see on the right side, and then as soon as you do that, in the purple section you will find this option of P2P. Now go ahead, tap on it. Now P2P doing is simply doing buying or selling by directly sending the money to their own bank transfer, internet transfer, anything like that, and getting the deposit directly to your own wallet. Now if you would like to buy, you're gonna simply tap on this icon and choose the crypto. For you to buy, you can add in the limit of yours, you can add in the method, you can choose what method you would provide. If you haven't added any, you can tap on over here, tap on payment method and add one. Then once you see the deals that appeals to you and you have a really balance for it and you're allowed to do so, you're going to tap on it and you're going to send them the personal message, and you're going to buy the particular crypto for you. And you can do the same with the selling. You're going to go to sale and you will be able to appeal for add in your own sale as well by adding limit, and you can add your payment method, how you would like to receive it. You will receive a notification regarding the message. Tap on it, accept it, confirm the order, receive the money, and that is it. That's how P2P works for the selling purpose. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.